How did you put it back on there?
Like this. On there.
You fix everything, huh?
I did. On there like that.
You're a master of all trades. Why don't you get up and go to bed?
I fixed it.
Hi, Elvers. What's Daddy doing? Say hello.
Hello.
Are you drooling?
Yeah, a little bit.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's good times.
Come on, go to bed.
Night.
Get up. Get up.
Good night.
It's bedtime.
Yep.
Get up.
Good night. Nighty.
Okay, you sleep here.
Bye bye.
You and Elvis sleep here.
Alright, good night.